and welcome to my channel. Join me on my journey to Makkah and Medina with my parents and my nephew. Just boarded the flight. Got a bit late, so couldn't show the aeroplane. So we're travelling with Etihad Airways. First stop is Abu Dhabi, and then from Abu Dhabi to Jeddah, inshallah. So come join my journey. Etihad gave a little pouch, and these were all the items that were inside that pouch. So on the plane we got chicken and white rice. It was nice. My nephew really loved it. Like the food? Yeah. But I didn't like it that much, so my sandwich that I bought from Boots at the airport came in handy. For snack we got lemon and caramel cheesecake and a cheese and tomato flatbread. I wonder what movie my mum was watching. Hello Abu Dhabi. We've just arrived in Abu Dhabi and we're going to put our alarms on and do our New for Umrah. So see you in a few moments.
A few moments later.
We just put our alarms on, we've done our New for Umrah and we're going to make our way to Jeddah, inshallah. So just arrived at Jeddah airport. So from here we're going to travel to our hotel, which is about 40 minutes to 45 minutes drive from Jeddah airport to Makkah, near Masjid al-Haram. I'll just show you some of the scenery on the way. This is one of the famous bridges that you'll see on the way. It's a bridge that they've made into a Quran bark at the top. So as I get close, I'll try and give you a better view.
A few moments later.
So we arrived in the hotel around about 4 a.m. So we decided to have a bit of rest because it was like 7-hour journey from Manchester to Abu Dhabi and 3-hour stop from there, and then the drive from Jeddah to Makkah. So we had a couple of hours rest and now we're heading to perform our Umrah, inshallah. It's my nephew's first Umrah, so make sure to subscribe and like my channel to follow him on his full journey. So let's head to Masjid al-Haram and perform our Umrah. Let's go. We've just come out of our hotel, so this is our hotel. Imar al-Khalil. So this time we're staying on the other side of the clock tower. Our last hotel, my previous visit, was staying on the other side of the clock tower. So we're on this side, to the side now. See how long it will take us to get to Masjid al-Haram. It's my nephew's first Umrah, mashallah. So you excited to see the Kaaba? So on this road, on the left hand side, Do 7 rounds before it is completed. So when you reach the green lights, this is where men jog or run and women just walk fast. So this is Mountain Marwa. So we're on the 2nd level, so we just see the top of the mountain. The rest of the mountain you can see when you go to the floor below. So we have reached Mountain Safa, and that is our 2 rounds complete. You keep going back and forth until you completed 7 rounds. If you come with your parents and it's too much for them because there's a lot of walking, there are wheelchairs available. Like my mum, she chose the option of completing his stay on a wheelchair. So after completing your stay, you trim your hair and that completes your Umrah. So women just trim their hair and men can either trim it or they can shave their heads. Our dad just trimmed his hair initially and then shaved his head later on. Make sure you keep hydrated, guys. There are plenty of fresh juices available everywhere. After Isha Salah, we decided to have our dinner, so we went to Al Baik, and you have to try Al Baik. It's like a must if you come to Saudi Arabia. So we've got spicy chicken nuggets and chips, and my dad got chicken biryani. My nephew and mum also got Al Baik as well. So we got a place in the clock tower. So after Isha Salah, guys, everywhere you go it's really busy. So just be prepared to stand around until you find a table. So in the clock tower there are 4 floors and 2 floors are the food court. But trust me, after Isha Salah it is really busy. If you like today's vlog, make sure to subscribe, like and comment, and make sure to click on the bell icon. And I will see you in tomorrow's vlog, inshallah. Masjid भी तू कुदरत